Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about inheritance in C#. So let's say that we want to model a person in our code. Each person has its own name, it has surname, and it has age, let's say. It has much more, but it doesn't matter for this simple example. So what we want to do, we want to create a class called a person. So let's quickly do that. We need a person class. And let's make this class public. So as we mentioned, we need string name, we need string surname, and we need age, integer age. So let's quickly create a constructor with parameters, and also we will need getters and setters. So as you can see, we have a simple class called person with all of these fields, we have constructor with parameters, and we have getters and setters. So let's say that we want to model someone who is a dentist. Dentist has all of these fields, but we need additional fields in order to describe someone who is a dentist. So we need, for example, years of experience. So let's quickly create additional class called a dentist. Dentist. And let's make this class public. So as we said, our dentist has years of experience. And we need constructor with parameters for this class. So how we can use all of these fields from the person class inside the dentist class? We can inherit the person class by saying dentist colon person, which means that this dentist class is going to inherit the person class. So let's quickly add all the information that we need in order to create a dentist object. So we need name for dentist, we need surname, and we need age. So we want to initialize all of the fields from the person class. How we can do that? We can quickly call the constructor of the person class by using a base keyword and passing all the necessary information, name, surname, and age. So we successfully initialized experience field from the dentist, and we initialized all of the fields in the base class. So I forgot to mention that this class is called parent class or base class, and this one is child class. So if I quickly go back to the program, I can create an instance of dentist. Dentist is equal to new dentist, and we need to pass experience, and we need name, surname, and we need age. So let's quickly print out some of the fields. We want to print out the name, and we want to print out the let's say experience. We cannot do that because we don't have the property, actually getter and setter. So let's quickly go back to the dentist and create a getter and setter. So if I go back to the program, we will able to access the experience field, actually the getter. And as you can see, we are going to print out one of the fields from the base class, and we are printing out the experience from the child class. So if we quickly run the application, we'll be able to see that we got John as a name and we got years of experience. So if I go back to the dentist class, you can see that we successfully inherited all the fields from the person class, and we were able to access these fields, actually one of the fields, inside the object of dentist, which represents the child class. So what we can do more with inheritance, we can quickly add one method which is going to print the name and surname. So I can say public void print name and surname. And we want to print, to say something like this. We want to format a string and we want to say this is my name, and we want to do the same for the surname. This is my surname, and let's change this to surname. So this is a simple method inside the person class. So if I go back to the program, I can do something like this. I can say dentist dot print name and surname. So as you can see, this method from the base class is accessible inside of the object of the child class. So if I quickly run the application, be able to see that we got this is my name and this is my surname. Actually, the information that we're printing out inside the method from the base class. So I guess that will be pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed and see you in the next one.